Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Extraordinary, sturdy, manly. This SUPLINK watch band has it all. This is by no means an ordinary watch band. The 5 rows of links with alternating matte finish is stunning. The one-touch clasp closure is awesome. And I love that this band has its protective base that snuggles your Apple Watch securely. The directions were very clear and I was able to easily remove the links so that it could fit my nephew. It's a perfect adjustment and he loves the fit and the style. This SUPLINK watch band looks amazing for an office setting and it makes a definite statement when worn with a suit. So take ordinary to the next level with this SUPLINK watch band. We love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.